In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play a video directly in Google Drive. First, make sure you're logged into Google Drive. Open your web browser, go to drive.google.com and sign in. Once you're in, you'll see your files and folders. If you keep your drive organized, head to the folder where the video lives. If you're not sure where it is, use the search bar at the top and type part of the file name or a common video extension like MP4 or MOV. You can also switch between grid and list views using the layout toggle, so thumbnails or file details are easier to scan. When you've located the video you want to play, hover over it for a moment to confirm it's the correct file. Now, the simplest way to start watching is to double-click the video. Google Drive will open it in its built-in player. Give it a moment to load, especially if the file is large or your connection is slower. Once it's open, look for the standard playback controls at the bottom. You can hit play or pause, drag the timeline to jump to a specific moment, adjust the volume, and switch to full screen for a clearer view. If the video includes embedded captions or multiple audio tracks, Drive may show options to toggle them. If the picture looks soft at first, that's typically Drive adjusting while it buffers. It usually sharpens as playback continues. If double-clicking isn't your preference, there's another easy route. Right-click on the video file to open the context menu, move to Open With, and then choose Preview. This opens the same Google Drive player and gives you the exact playback experience, complete with controls for play, pause, timeline scrubbing, volume, and full screen. It's a great option if you're already using right-click to manage files or if your double-click settings behave differently on your device. A quick recap before we finish. Log into Google Drive, find the video you want, and double-click to play. Or if you prefer, right-click the file, Open With, then Preview. That's all you need to stream videos directly within Drive. No downloads, no extra apps. If playback seems slow, it's often due to network speed or file size, so giving it a moment to buffer usually helps. And if you're viewing a shared file, you can still play it the same way, as long as you have permission. You now know the quickest ways to play a video directly in Google Drive without leaving your browser.